Alright, what's up? Today is January 17th at 11:57 a.m. So good afternoon everybody. It's been a minute, say like a week. And I'm not gonna lie, the reason why I didn't trade is because price action. We're consolidating this week, last week, the week before that, and the week before that. So I've been very risk off. I've been looking for reasons not to trade, and I haven't really found any positive trades that I could go off of. Because of my recent trades where I keep getting stopped out, it's making me hesitant on my trades. And I noticed today that it really affected the way I traded today. I didn't enter a trade because I was too hesitant on that move. But every confluence lined up, it's just that I did not want to get stopped out again. However, I must realize if it acts off my confluence, I must act off that reaction. Because I'm playing off probabilities, I'm not playing off certainties. So I must realize I have to act. I can't not act, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's the reason why I haven't been trading recently. Like, I'll show you, like, get this price action. Today we're full, man. Like, not really like going in any direction. So I haven't really been calling out anything in trading. On to the trade recap. Alright, so today I was bearish. Why was I bearish? Because of a 4-hour break of structure. Let me mark it out. Raw here. We broke structure with this candle, and on top of that, on the daily time frame, we broke structure on the daily time frame. However, before this candle was filled to the max to right here. So I'm like, okay, it's still showing selling pressure, selling momentum, and we're at a high. We failed to surpass this high, so we're dropping back down. So I'm like, okay, then I'm bearish. That's the reason why I'm bearish. So looking for anything on the 1-hour time frame, I see this liquidity sweep. Orders right here, we take out orders here with this move up, drop back down, and then move back up. But I marked out here as a liquidity sweep because this was the bigger move that actually took out orders up till here, and here. And then this one didn't really take out orders, we just reacted off this or whatever, like this. We rejected this zone. And then on the 1 hour with this liquidity sweep, there's also this order block, and you can see we tapped into this order block and rejected it. And I marked out this fair value gap. We rejected this fair value gap, but this was like at London session, so I didn't really do anything with that. I marked down to the 30 minute. So all I'm looking for is a retracement play, a fair value gap play, because damn, all I'm looking for is a retracement play, because our liquidity has been swept, order block has been filled, a previous fair value gap has been filled. So all I'm looking for is where I can get filled. So I marked down to 30 minute fair value gap. I went down to the 5 minute, and right here I wanted to enter off this zone right here, off this fair value gap, but I wanted to wait for a break of structure. I'm not entering off no break of structure. Every time I enter off a zone or not off of a break of structure, I get stopped out. So I'm patient, waiting for a break of structure, and right here we tapped into this fair value gap, and we pushed above it, and I was like, yeah, okay, then I'm not gonna enter, because I was starting to get very hesitant, because I noticed right here we swept where is it, these previous lows right here. So with that being said, I noticed a liquidity sweep move back up to the upside, and we tapped into this order block right here that took out more orders. We bounced off, so I'm like, should I enter off that order block? And then I realized I shouldn't, because I don't want to go against my bias, and because the order block isn't in line or aligned with my bias. Trade with the momentum, trade with the trend. Trend is your friend. Going on with the trade, I marked out this zone, and because I was hesitant, like I said earlier, I didn't enter off this fair value gap break structure. right here, if I marked it out, but I had a doctor's appointment, and I didn't enter off that trade because I'm like, I'm at a doctor's. I'm not gonna enter off of a trade like that, right? I won't be able to pay attention. I won't be able to take profit because I do manual stop losses and manual take profits. No matter if I get stopped out, no matter what, I'll close my position. That's the way I operate. But we hit this fair value gap. We broke structure on this candle, and we would have filled perfectly. We filled perfectly off right here. It would have entered off this candle, the break structure, obviously, and targeted. Right here, I was targeting the order block right here. It did show a reaction, and yeah, hit TP. Yeah, that's my trade for today. I'd say good day today. It sucks that I wasn't in this trade, but I could really only do so much. I really need to act off my own reactions, and I need to stop being hesitant. The only reason why I'm hesitant is because of the stop loss, me being stopped out the previous days. But yeah.